Oh, you're my personal tour guide. You're my tour guide. We're gonna run the city. We're in New York City. New Thanksgiving Day vlog 2023. Pizza, hot dogs, bagels, the Warriors. What else? What else? Statue of Liberty.
Why do you keep saying the Warriors?
It's a movie. That's the classic movie. But we're here. We're going to Queens. The real city.
You're pretty young too. Your mom
Hey, I got old soul. I got old soul. Oh, years. No, my dad. But New York City.
I think your mom might even.
All right, we're in Queens, our home base for Thanksgiving. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 4 to 5 days. This is my tour guide, Caleb. What do you have to say?
No, it's my home, so I'm gonna be showing him around the area. That's how it works.
New York City. We're here. Play the Frank Sinatra. Walking the streets. Queens, New York. Most iconic city in the world. We're here. Oh, the Queensboro. There we go.
So we're at the Queensboro restaurant in Queens Jackson Heights, Northern Boulevard. And it's got some good eats. So
What is your dad to this restaurant?
he's the chef slash owner of 3. Yeah.
Fancy stuff. Fancy stuff. Garlic clam bread. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Free marketing for the Queensboro. This is the head chef right here with his square. Oh, that looks mops. I don't even. What is this?
It's pork carnitas, and then a potato gratin, and then there's a Szechuan bok choy.
Fancy chef, fancy. And the classic American bacon cheeseburger.
You wanna try this?
What is that? What is that?
So these are razor clams. Have you had that before?
No.
So they're really good. You have to take one. So they're like baked razor clams. So he takes the clam off and then he like chops it up and then has like parsley, butter, breadcrumbs, lemon.
Beautiful stuff, chef. 100 subscribers on YouTube.
Are you live streaming it?
No. Look at the juicy burger. Juicy barbecue. Not barbecue. Bacon cheeseburger. What do we got here, chef?
What we have here is some fusilli pasta with light tomato and goat cheese, and you have some green olives and lamb sausage and roasted peppers.
What was your inspiration?
I just wanted to create something very flavorful and Italian and polished.
Show your pro.
Amazing. Come by to New York City.
Check the crisp.
Check the crisp.
No, crack it with the back of your go like this.
Alright, bro, let me live.
No, go like that.
Alright, bro. 3,
Sorry for
2, 1. Check the bite, check the bite. Micah, look.
Happy Thanksgiving. Day 1 in the city. My 2 little tour guides stepped outside. It's freezing. Look at my nose. It's already red. It's freezing. It's like a frozen wasteland. It's the tundra out here. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you, Juliana, for this scarf. Because I'm freezing already. I need to get mittens. I need everything. Where are we going, tour guide?
So we're going to catch the New York City Thanksgiving Macy's parade, and we're gonna. So all of a sudden, this guy says he doesn't know what bacon, egg, and cheese is. So
What's the bacon, egg, and cheese? That's just a breakfast.
Bruh. All right.
Bruh.
You're excited about coming to New York City. You don't know what bacon, egg, and cheese is. So we're gonna have to get him bacon, egg, and cheese and a hot chocolate.
Yeah. How's this Hawaiian? And the slippers. Woo. These New York kids, they walk so fast. Oh wow. First stop on our Thanksgiving Day tour is Esa Bagel. My goal for this trip was to hit the trifecta: a pizza, a hot dog, and a bagel. Ooh, gnarly. What is that?
Salmon, cream cheese, capers, onions.
This is our morning classic. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Got a beautiful cookie.
Welcome to So we're here at Rockefeller Center. The tree hasn't been lit up yet, but it will soon. We just at the parade, trying to figure out where we're gonna head out next. But Rockefeller Center, I mean, one of the best places to be during Christmas. So. Alright guys, the struggles of getting a good picture right now is happening. I mean, what are we doing? What are we doing? Woo!
We just finished the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and now we're going back to Queens. There's the subway. We're back in Queens. Bunch of Mexican places. Smells really good. Some Indian places over there. And now we're walking back.
Gribb's Adventures. Watching Gribb's Adventures.
What?
It's gonna be put on a Gribb's Adventures video.
We're on the streets of Queens, New York.
A little GoPro action?
We're at the uncles. I'm about to ball up on these kids. That's a shot right there. That's a great shot.
Oh my god, there we go.
Oh, that was tough. It's a brick fest right now. They're putting up more bricks in that building. All these bricks. Look, brick. Come on, I can do better with my left hand. Look at that. Ah, come on. The champ is waiting. The chef said this was some caviar. That's not in my vocabulary, but I'm gonna try it. It looks good. Juicy.
Talking about me or the turkey?
That's what I was gonna say.
One chip challenge. No.
Wow, I can do that.
That's still gonna no.
She's a little smaller, man.
Where's the whipped cream?
Oh, you did it?
Oh no.
There you go. Eyes are watering. That's tough.
My nose is running.
Hey, but that's a game bird right there. The only one who tried it. That's tough. Day 2. Oh, puppy eyes. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to Chinatown, and also at sunset we're gonna be going to Long Island City.
Tell me what you made.
So today I prepared a turkey loco moco with Thanksgiving leftovers: rice, turkey, egg, and gravy. Heading out to Skyview Mall in Flushing. See you there.
Oh, what do I do?
Who are you?
I'm Harper. I'm Caleb and Micah's friend. Longtime friend.
So, but where are we going?
Where are we going? I don't know. Skyview Mall?
Where are we going?
I don't know. My tour guide he's slacking right now.
What you mean?
He's need more context.
All right, I got
But
you.
We're gonna have fun today, I think.
Yeah.
Look at this cute scarf.
All right, so we are heading to Skyview Mall in Flushing, and then
I got it right.
And then after Skyview Mall, we are going to be headed to the main street of Flushing to eat some of that good food.
Wow, we out here in Chinatown, Flushing. It's popping, it's busy. Feel at home here. Popping here, look at this beautiful little flower shop. Soybean Chan. Some cute flowers. Oh, it's crowded here. It's nice to see that the American Mall is still thriving. Very busy. Well, it's Black Friday, but it's nice to see that the malls aren't dead yet. There it is. Young teenagers at the mall, classic. I remember the days, Teenagers at the mall, cruising, walking around. Oh, how fun. Like a flashback. Look at this, Chinatown. Oh, fancy. Hole in the wall kind of stuff right here. What do we got here?
Spicy Taiwanese fried chicken.
Alright. How's
Spicy.
Oh, spicy. My mouth is burning. Tastes good though. Spicy.
Kampai.
Kampai. What is this, Caleb?
This is beef and egg rice roll.
Ready for it? Oh. Okay, go.
I'm telling you now, this is gonna be the best rice roll you'll ever eat. So hot, but so good.
And now we're gonna get some duck on our next stop on the food tour. Here's our next spot. Shanghai Garden. Oh, looks good. Oh, looks good. Oh, chicken feet. Hello. Sesame ball. Someone's favorite.
This is Peking duck buns.
These look like pork buns.
Yeah. Speed.
Eat it up, man.
I was making that face.
Classic. Chinese boys. Oh yeah.
Kampai.
Kampai. Get my hero. My hero. I love you. Can you get a picture of me? Alright, here's our third stop. What is this place called?
I don't know, it's Chinese.
Dumpling place.
Is
Dumplings. Gyoza. That's the boba. Wow, so cool.
It's the rabbit.
Just making the boba. Last stop on our Chinatown food tour. Xing Fu Tang. I wonder how much people walk into the door. It's hilarious. What do you got? Oh, that's fancy.
I got a brown sugar boba milk tea.
What do you got?
I just got a regular boba. It's kind of boring. Milk.
What do you got?
Yeah, Thai tea.
Hi, dude. Taro. Actually, 1 second. Shake it. It's brown, but it's actually taro, no ice, extra boba, milk tea.
Pie.
Come by. Oh my gosh, whose kid is this? We're back in Queens. Come right off this train station. It smells delicious, just like Indian food, like chicken tikka masala. My tour guides are taking me to Long Island City. You're gonna watch the sunset, very romantic. Much easier, much more easier than walking everywhere. Although I am carrying all this shit with me. Cute scarf, very cute. What's the scoop? What's the scoop? Where are we going?
That's alright. Want to see where my school is? We're gonna be checking out the view because this is gonna be sunset. One of the best views in the city.
One of the best views in the city. Okay.
Behind the scenes.
Are you getting behind the scenes?
We out here. What is this place called?
It's Long Island City.
where you see it like in all the movies, you know? How romantic. And I got my 2 cousins here. Sick one. This is a sick one. Look at this skyline. Oh, beautiful. Nice sunset. Playing the Frank Sinatra. Oh, that's cool. It's windy. It's probably really windy on here, huh? My bad.
Oh, get 30, get 30. Oh my camera. Oh my camera. All right, the boys. Hey, 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 hey.
Okay.
Hey, 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 hey.
New York, New York. Shibuya Part 2.
Oh, bro. I got something to sing to. My phone is really loose. Yo, wait, my phone. Yo, you're late. Yo, chill. It's right here, look.
Oh, wow. Very nice. New York City lit up. It's windy out here. Heading to India Town for dinner. The weather says 39, but it says it feels like 31 because of the wind. It's windy right now. We're heading out. Oh, here we are, Samudra, South Indian.
It's about to be like
Kampai! Oh yeah, New York, New York. Happy Thanksgiving.
Bro, why are you putting it in my face?
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. We're so happy you're here, Jacob. Bands on? No, fuck.
We are approaching the station. Please stand away from.
To be a part of it. New York, New York.